1, 3, minus 2, 2, minus 4, 3, 1. And your answer is 4. Next question, 4, minus 1, minus 3, plus 3, 1, minus 2, 1. Your answer is 3. Welcome to my Abacus Learning channel. This was the demonstration. Hi kids, we are going to learn abacus without any techniques, and we are going to learn addition and subtraction. Very easy to understand. So let's start. We are going to use only two fingers, thumb and pointer finger. Okay, this is your abacus. Downside 4 beads, okay, and upside 1 beads. Okay, this is 1 1 1 1, all together is 4, downside and upside is 1 bead, and is 5 value. 4 and 5 is 9 value on one rod. Okay, so very easy. Let's start. So we are going to use two fingers. Thumb, we are going to use down beats up like this. Pointer finger, we are going to use down beats down and up beats down and up. This month we are ready to use our abacus. This is your question on the screen. Let's start. Number without any sign you have to add, and number with minus sign you have to subtract. Okay, and this is your marked rod. Okay, hold your abacus. This is marked rod. Okay, and place 1 means add 1. Add 1. Another 3. Add 3 like this. Not 1, 2, 3. You have to add at once 3. Okay. Next is minus 2. You have to do minus 2 like this. Not 1, 2. You have to do minus 2 at once. Next is add 2. So use thumb. Minus 4. Use pointer finger like this. And add 3. This one. And add 1. And your question is finished. And this is your answer. 1, 1, 1, 1. 4, 1 means your answer is 4. Okay. When all beads downside and all beads upside. Okay. This is your 0 position of the abacus. Understand? Want to do one more question? Let's go. This is your question on the screen. So add 4, thumb. Minus 1, pointer finger. Minus 3, pointer finger. Add 3, thumb. Add 1, use thumb. Minus 2. And add 1. And your answer is 3. Very easy. So, do you want some more exercises? Yes, this is your exercise on the screen. Please take a screenshot and print out and try to do. And see you in the next episode. Please don't comment on my English language. Ta-ta!